So guys, now you are looking at the Samsung Galaxy A9 Star. It's currently unclear when Samsung will choose to unveil the Samsung Galaxy A9 Star. The model number of this is SMG8850 officially, but after a video allegedly showed off the smartphone's final design, a set of new images give a much closer glimpse at the device while also revealing a new color option in the process. So as seen in the previous leaks, the newest images confirm a significant departure from Samsung's usual design language in the hope of capturing the interest of Chinese consumers. This means the rear will now be adorned by a regular dual camera setup that is positioned vertically in the top corner. This looks like the Huawei P20 and the iPhone X. Also, a dual tone LED flash is placed beneath the module. Other design changes include the rear facing fingerprint sensor, which swaps out the usually rounded rectangle shape for a square variant and has also been moved further up the phone. So when it comes to the front side of the phone, however, the design certainly resembles Samsung's recent devices. This means a larger 6.3-inch infinity display is present with reduced bezels wrapping around it. Speaking of which, the top one is home to a 16-megapixel front-facing camera and the in-ear speaker. On a final design note, the upper mid-range smartphone looks set to be boost dedicated Bixby button. So when it comes to the internal side of the thing, the processor inside is yet to be revealed, although a recent TINA listening revealed 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Also, a main 24-megapixel camera was revealed to be coupling a second 16-megapixel sensor on the rear. Additionally, a larger 3700 mAh of battery will be keeping the lights on, with Android 8.0 Oreo coming pre-installed. So Samsung is set to officially confirm a release date for the smartphone, but it's understood to be planned as a Chinese exclusive. So what's your thoughts on this beautiful Samsung's beast? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.